Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the SQL subqueries, okay, nested queries. So what actually the nested query is, in which cases we have to use the nested queries or subqueries in SQL Oracle. So let us start the video. But before starting the video, if you are not subscribed to SQL Master, kindly subscribe to SQL Master YouTube channel to get the more videos about ETL testing, SQL Oracle, and Informatica videos. So let's start the video here. So what I made here some slides for you people. So just go through this video, complete guide to SQL subqueries. SQL is a powerful language that can help extract data from various databases. Okay, so however, writing complex SQL queries can often be difficult. So we all know that to writing SQL complex queries is a bit more difficult. Subqueries in SQL can simplify the process and make it easier to query the data. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about SQL subqueries, including the different types of subqueries, how to write them, and how to use them to get data you need. By the end of this video, you will have complete understanding of SQL queries, subqueries, and be able to write them on your own. So, welcome to the complete guide of to SQL subqueries. So SQL subqueries are essential tool for everyone who works with databases and needs to extract data. They help simply complex SQL queries and make it easier to get the data you need. So in this video, we will cover the different types of SQL subqueries and show you how to use them to get data you need. So let's get started. So subqueries types. There are three main types of subqueries in SQL, like scalar subqueries and correlated subqueries and nested subqueries. So what actually the scalar subqueries here? So scalar subquery is a subquery that returns a single value. It can be used anywhere in single value expression can be used. For example, to find the highest salary in a table, we can use a scalar subquery like select max of salary from employees. So this is an simple example for scalar subqueries. So correlated subqueries. A correlated subquery is a subquery that uses values from outer query. So it is executed once for each row returned by the outer query. Correlated subqueries can be slow, so it's important to use them carefully. For example, to find the employees who earn more than the average salary in their department, we can use correlated subquery. Example in the sense, select star from employees E where salary is greater than, within a parenthesis subquery goes here, select average of salary from employees where department is equal to E dot department, parenthesis close, semicolon. So next comes to nested subqueries. That is, a nested subquery is a subquery that appears inside another subquery. It can be used to perform complex queries. For example, to find employees who earn more than average salary in their department and who have been with the company for more than 5 years, we can use nested subquery. Like you can observe this example, select star from employees E where salary is greater than, within parenthesis subquery goes here, select average of salary from select from, within that subquery again subquery starts, select star from employees where department is equal to E dot department, parenthesis close here, as temp, parenthesis again close here, and years of service greater than 5, semicolon. So these concepts you have to understood properly here, so then only you can able to write the subqueries. So go through these example subqueries, you will be going to understand properly these concepts. Writing subqueries. Writing subqueries in SQL involves understanding how to structure the subquery and how to use it in the main query. So structure of subquery. A subquery has a select statement that returns a result set. The result set can be used in the main query. For example, to find the names of employees who earn more than the average salary, we can use following subquery. So like select name from employees where salary is greater than, within parenthesis subquery goes here like select average of salary from employees, parenthesis close, and semicolon ends here. Using subquery in main query. Subqueries can be used in various parts of SQL query, such as select, from, where, and having clauses. For example, to find the number of employees in each department, we can use subquery in the form clause. Okay, so select department, comma, count of star from, within parenthesis, subquery goes here like select star from employees subquery or parenthesis close as temp group by department semicolon. So how to optimizing SQL queries with subqueries. So subqueries can sometimes be slow, so it's important to use them carefully and optimize them when possible using joins instead of subqueries. So in some cases we have to use joins instead of subqueries. So in some cases it's better to use joins instead of subqueries. Joins can be faster and more efficient than the subqueries. For example, to find employees who have both manager and salary greater than $50,000. Okay, so we can use a join instead of subquery, like select e dot name from employees, e join employees, m on e dot manager id is equal to m dot id where e dot salary is greater than 50,000 semicolon. So this is an example where we can use joins instead of subqueries. So using indexes can help speed up subqueries by making subquery run faster. It's important to make sure that the columns can be used in subquery are indexed. For example, to find the number of employees who report to each manager, we can use an index on the manager ID column. So create index manager ID index on employees. So within parenthesis manager underscore ID semicolon. So example in the sense, select e dot manager ID count of star from employees e group by e dot manager ID. So these are the word subquery concept here what I am going to show you. So this is very important in the sense to understand properly the subqueries or nested queries or correlated queries. Okay, so I hope you understood these concepts perfectly. If not, you can go through multiple times, watch this video, you will be going to understand the concepts, or else you can go through the other YouTube channels also. So it a little bit it's my small effort to convenient you people that the subquery concept here. So I will be with you with some more new concepts about ETL testing, SQL Oracle and Informatica in future videos. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, have a nice day, take care.